So last week, what did we do about last week? We did about VSO. Okay, everyone understand that? Okay. So today we're going to be doing about something called prepositions. Okay, prepositions. Prepositions. I just asked you, can you guys see? Okay. All right. Well, which part can't you see? Can you see the word prepositions? All right. All right, so I'm going to have to bring this down then. Can you see now? Okay. All right, so prepositions, right? These are in Arabic like this. So if I write this in English, for example, Zaid is from London. Right? So Zaid is from London. So in Arabic, the word from would be counted as a preposition. Okay, this would be called a prep. Zaid is from London. Okay, let me write another word. Khalid wrote with a pen. Okay, so in this example, what's the preposition? With, very good. Okay, with is a preposition. And Zainab read in the mosque. Okay, Zainab read in the mosque. So, in is the preposition here. So what do you have to remember about this rule? So what you have to remember is that the word that appears after the preposition, so in the first sentence, from, which word appears after from? London. Yeah, London. So therefore, the word London is going to be given kasra. Right? So we're going to give this word kasra. So because the word London doesn't have the next to it, how many kasras are we going to give it? Two. Okay, the next one, Khalid wrote with a pen. So the word after with, it has no the, so therefore we're going to give it 2 kasras. And the word in the sentence, Zainab read in the mosque, how many kasras are we going to give it? 1. So that's basically today's rule. Prepositions. Okay, so prepositions is one of these words, and I'm going to list for you some of the words. And these words simply have one rule, which is the word after it, they give it kasra. Everyone got that? What are the preposition words? So I'm going to write some down for you over here. Okay, so you have fi, min, li, ila, bi, wa, an, ala, and ka. Fi, min, li, ila, bi, wa, an, ala, ka. These are the most common ones that are used in the Quran. Right? So in the Quran, these are the most common ones that are used. Besides this, you're not really going to find others. So what does fi mean? In. Yeah, it means in. What does min mean? From. What does li mean? For. What does ila mean? To. What does bi mean? With. What does wa mean? This wa, there's several types of wa in Arabic. One is and. This is not the and one. This is the one that comes for with the meaning of an oath, like we say by Allah. Yeah, like you say wallahi. So wallahi, that wow, that doesn't mean and. What does it mean? It means oath. Like you swear, some people like wallah, 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 brother, wallah. Yeah. So they're using a preposition there. Yeah. An, what does an mean? Yeah, about, regarding, about. What does ala mean? On. And what does ka mean? Like. Yeah. Like you say, the sun is like a light. The sun is like a light. That kind of like. Not like the sun likes the light. Not that, yeah. Alright, everyone got this? Alright. So now let's have a go at some examples now. So in the Quran, you are going to find loads of these. So let's try to look for some in the Quran. Alright. So over here, look, bi. What do you say bi means? With. Bi khayri. Notice, what does it do? It gives the word after it. Kasra. Yeah. Okay. Ala means what? Now you see this word kulli shay'in. Kulli is the first word of rule, which we call, what do we call in Arabic? Mudaf. And shay'in is the mudaf ilayhi. Second word of rule. Yeah. So notice what ala does. Gives kulli kasra. Yeah. Bi wa in yamsaska Allahu bi durrin. Yeah. Bi durrin. Okay. Is there any other words here?
Is that BE one as well?
Bihi, yeah, but because we haven't done pronouns yet. Ala. This ala Allahi. And what's happened? You give it kasra. Ala Allahi. Yeah, ala Allahi. Ala Allahi. Okay. So for some more.
There was a wallahi.
Huh?
Wallahi.
Where?
Wallahi. Yeah.
Which ayah?
23. Second from last.
Second from last. Wallahi Rabbina. Yeah. Wallahi, very good. Yeah, by Allah. Excellent. Okay. Ala nar. Ala an-nar. What does ala nar mean? On the fire. إذ وقفوا على النار, when they will be made to stand على النار, on the edge of the fire. Yeah, may Allah save us. Okay. Some other ones. Bi liqa illah. Liqa means meeting of Allah. Yeah, with the meeting of Allah. So كذبوا. What's kadhabu? Yeah, to lie or to call a liar, to deny. So kadhabu means what? They denied what? With the liqa of Allah, the meeting of Allah. Yeah. So look, it's only the 5th lesson and you're already translating these verses.
Allah Rabbi.
Yeah, liqa illah. Ala Rabbi. So we haven't done pronouns yet, but we'll come to that inshallah. When we do pronouns, inshallah, next week. Right. Is there anything else here? Bi ayatillah, very good. Yeah, bi, with the ayat of Allah, signs of Allah, or the verses of Allah. All right. Okay. And over here, we remember we went through this one as well. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِ. What's B? With. رَبِّ النَّاسِ. Yeah, Rabb of the Lord of the people. Yeah. Min sharri. Yeah, from the evil of the whisperer. Fi suduri an-nas. Notice whenever these come, you always give the other word after a kasra. Min al-jinnati. Yeah, from the jinn. And this one over here is قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ. Yeah, min sharri, min sharri, min sharri. Yeah. Everyone got that? Okay, so what I want you to do, just for 2-3 minutes, get yourself the Quran on your phone or something, and just with two in partners, in twos, try to find as many as you can. Yeah. Yeah. The what?
With the prepositions, the list. Why don't we pronounce the yeah like allowed
On the day of judgment. Okay, so, what have you guys found? So from the brother's side, what did you get?
We've got to say, you don't want pronouns.
Ala? Ala kullin, okay. Ala kullin, good. Yeah, sisters? What did you guys get? No, I don't have any. Sisters, have you got any more of those sheets, handouts? You need 10 more. Brothers, all of them finished, yeah? Have they all been given out? There's quite a few for the brothers, I think. Has everyone got those sheets? Yeah? You haven't got them? No one left, brothers? Yeah, I think they're all used up. I have to print some more. Sorry? You don't need any? You got enough? Okay. Okay, so brother, I'll just have to, if you come later on, I'll give you. Okay, yeah, so come on sisters, what did you find? Wattini, very good. Wattini. Waturi. Sinina, very good.
بغير حساب.
بغير حساب, yeah, very good. Yeah, sister, did you find anything? Sorry? بآيات الله, very good. وبالآخرة, very good. بالآخرة. Yes, sister? Any more sisters? فيه هدى, good, للمتقين. وليال عشر. Wow, yeah. وليال عشر, good, excellent. Yeah, alright. I think you guys got the hang of it now. So, let's have a go at some examples now. Yes? Yeah? So, okay, so what you're going to learn later on is that this is the basic structure that we have, and sometimes we have to adjust rules. So as we go through, we're going to learn how to adjust rules. Yeah, so for now, prepositions, wherever they come, the next word after it, you give it kasra. You just take it like that. Alright, so, example now. Zaid is from London. Right, so have a go at this. Have a go at translating it. Yeah, Zaid is from London. And in Arabic, London is London. And what's from? Min. Okay, so have a go. Come on, 2 minutes. So you should know what to do first. What would you do first? Yeah, right to from right to left. Some of you will not need this structure anymore. You can just do it directly. Put your hand up if you've done it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Sisters, how many people have done it? Okay. Alright, so let's have a go then. So, first of all, what do? Rewrite it from right to left. So it becomes what? Zaid is from London. Okay, then what do? We get rid of the is, yeah? Is goes. Then what do? Then we translate it. So Zaid is? Zaid. And from? You can see all the colors, yeah? Good. Min and London? Okay, London. Alright. So, is rule, isn't it? It's an is rule. What does the first word of the is rule take? How many dhammas are we going to give it? Okay, 2. Yeah, Zaydun. Now you see, look, London would have been the second word of the is rule, wouldn't it? Yeah? So we should have given London 2 dhammas as well. But min, prepositions override all rules. Yeah? So the min is going to give London kasra. How many kasras? 2. You understand that? London was supposed to be second word of Israel. And we know second word of Israel takes Dhamma. By the way, what's the first word and second word of Israel in Arabic called? Mubtada and Khabar. So Zaydun min Londonin. Everyone got that? Alright. Did anyone get that wrong? No? Okay, so the preposition overrides all rules. Okay, next example. Okay. Fatima wrote with the pen. Fatima wrote with the pen. So what's pen in Arabic? Yeah, qalam. And what's wrote? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so have a go at this one then. 2 minutes. Ya Allah. Okay, put your hand up if you've done it. Yeah, done. Ya Allah.
How do you write Fatima now?
Fatima is like this. Okay, yeah, if you've done it, put your hand up. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sisters, anyone done it? Okay, let's have a go. So, what did you guys get? All right, let's see then. So, first of all, write it out from right to left. Fatima wrote with the pen. All right. Then what do we do? Remember, put the verb at the front here. VSO. Yeah, so let's just translate it straight away. We're going to say, how do we say wrote? Katabat. Did anyone miss out the ta? Yeah, see, I knew that. Katabat, verb. And then Fatima, subject. With is bit, bi, and the pen, al-qalam. Yeah? Okay, let's put the vowels on now. So what vowel are we going to give to Fatima? Subject, isn't it? So what are we going to give it? Double dhamma. Shabash, very good. Okay, and bil qalam. Now you see, normally qalam would have been the object, and we would have given the object fatha, but because the ba is there, it overrides. Yeah. So bil qalam. Everyone got that? Now see, I don't mind if you don't join the prepositions with the word after it. I don't mind, but if you want to join it, you'd have to write it like this. Yeah. So if you want to join bil qalam, you're going to say like this. Yeah, like that. Bil qalam. But if you didn't join it, it doesn't matter. Yeah, how many of you guys got that right? Yeah, good. Excellent. Excellent. Those who didn't get it right, did you understand the mistake you made? Yeah, was it a ta?
I missed that with ta.
At, yeah? Yeah. Alright. Okay, let's have another go. Have another go? Alright, let's have another go then. Okay, so next one. I'm gonna make this a bit tougher, yeah? Zainab read the Quran in the Mosque. Yeah, Zainab read the Quran where? In the mosque. Yeah. You guys know the story about the Spanish and the word mosque? Yeah? I'll tell you. Okay, so first of all, do this. Okay, what's red? Qara. And what's the mosque? Masjid. And Zainab, you guys know that. So have a go. Ya Allah. Ya Allah. Okay, put your hand up if you've done it. 1, 2, 2 brothers, 3 brothers. How many sisters? Anyone have done it? Yeah. How many people got mashallah on their homework? Yeah. Mashallah. Huh? Did I get mashallah? Did you get it right? All. Okay, you.
I think you just
I gave you last year. I gave you mashallah last year.
I wasn't as good last year though.
Yeah, this year's good, mashallah. Alright, so let's go through it then. Yeah. So what? What's this way? Yeah. It's trying to give me a heart attack. So, you know when someone's like message goes off and it sounds like your one, and you think it's yours, it confuses you. You know those ones. Yeah. All right. So, what did you guys get? Okay. Let's just translate directly. Yeah. Let's do a direct translation. So, qara'at. Yeah. Anyone miss out the ta? Yeah. All right. Then after that, Zainab. Okay. So this is the verb, subject, and then Al-Quran is the object. Then Fi is the prep, and Al-Masjid is the word after the prep. Okay, so what vowel does a subject take? Double dhamma here. What vowel does object take? Single fatha. What does preposition give? In this case, one kasr. قرأت زينب القرآن في المسجد. Everyone got that? Okay, what I want you to do is, with the person next to you, I want to explain it. Yeah? The examples that we've done so far. And those who don't understand, try to sit with someone who does understand. Don't like sit with two people who don't understand. And they explain something wrong to each other.
It's one that one classifies DSL. Write it under the unless there's a prep before it. Like the one before
Huh? Yeah, mashallah. I'm a bit tired. Yeah. Huh? Sorry? Yeah, mashallah. Alhamdulillah. Yeah. What's your name? Oh, is that you? Okay. I was thinking, who's that? Some crazy, like someone in some different country. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What does it mean?
It's just a name.
Yeah. I've heard of it. I haven't watched it. Yeah. Oh, okay.
In the English, they call him Goku. It's the Japanese name.
Okay. Yeah.
It doesn't actually mean it's the son of it.
Yeah.
It's just a name.
Okay. I'll remember that. Okay. All right. All right. Any questions up to there? No? All right. Should we do another example? Let's. Let me just make this a bit smaller. Yeah, sorry, what was it?
If there's no proposition in that, and the al-masjid, that becomes part of the other.
Yeah, so if you got a preposition, it overrides everything.
If it wasn't,
Then it become another object, second object. Okay, so did you guys know about the masjid one? Are we allowed to call masjids mosques? Why? Is it because the Spanish used to call mosques mosquitoes? No, why? Their word for mosque is mosquito. They don't say jim. So for masjid they say mosquito. That's what it is. The word for mosquito in Spanish is totally different. So some clever guy on WhatsApp has made a message saying don't say mosque because the Spanish use the word mosque for the Muslims, the mosquitoes. And I saw this message, I go, which clever idiot has got so much enough time to make up the stupid thing and then Muslims believe it. All you have to do is go on Google, find out what do the Spanish call mosquitoes. And it's not mosquito. Yeah, they have a different name for it. Yeah, that's where the word mosque comes from, masjid, mosquito. Yeah, just like in Egyptians, they call a mosque masjid. They don't say jim, they say g. Yeah, so if you haven't said that to anyone, go and repent. Yeah, go jump off a tree or something. Or all right. And those sisters who said, yeah, don't say it, go and wash your face. Okay. All right, so let's have a go then. So another example. This is a difficult one here. We heard Zayd's father in the mosque of Khalid in 1923. I'm going to jump up to there. All right. So we heard Zayd's father in the mosque of Khalid. So come on. Yeah. So heard is Sami'a. Father is Ab. Mosque, you guys know. Khalid, you guys know.
The subject of father, paper. Okay. No, the subject is weak. There's no subject yet. The subject is that. It's combined with the and then so what is an object is given all the things but then I just eliminate it. Just leave the that follows
Remember, if you're struggling, just do the steps. Write it from right to left. Get rid of the of rule. But remember, this has an apostrophe S. So you have to turn the apostrophe S into the of format, first of all.
Is Khalid with a calf?
Kha. It's with a kha. Put your hand up if you've done it. 1, 2. MashaAllah. Wonder why. Dear sisters, anyone done it? Yeah, 1. Okay, let's have a go. So let's go through together then. So first of all, what do we do? Write it out from right to left. So we're going to write down, we heard. Then, Zayd's father, how are you going to put it into the of format? The father of Zayd, yeah? So write that there. The father of Zayd in the mosque, right, of Khalid. Now, I think some people have put the words in wrong sequence. Yeah, I can tell by your faces and by your breathing. Yeah, that you're doing it wrong. Alright, so what do we get rid of? Of and the. Yeah. Okay, now, how do we translate we heard? Alright, so, Sami'na. Father? Zayd? Yeah, the famous place that you go to eat sometimes. Yeah. If you want quick food. Fi? The mosque? Oh, we've got to get rid of the oven here, isn't it? Get rid of that as well. Okay. And Khalid? Then what do we do? Put brackets around the of rule. So this is the first word, that's the second word. That's the first word, that's the... So we already know what vowel does the second word take? How many kasras? Yeah, Zaydin. And Khalid? 2 kasras, yeah? Easy. Now the first word, it's the first word of the of rule and also it's what? Remember, that's verb plus subject in the verb. It's the object, isn't it? Yeah, so that's why it's going to take what? 1 fatha. Why 1? Because it's the first word of the of rule as well. There's 2 rules there. It's an object and it's the first word of the of rule. First word of the of rule tells you only 1. And fatha because it's object. And the word masjid is the first word of the of rule, so it can only take 1 vowel. And because of the fi before it, kasra. How many kasras? No, 1. Because it's the first word of the of rule. Remember, there's 2 rules. The word ab and the word masjid have got 2 rules. So both of them are first word of the of rule. And ab is also an object. And masjid appears after preposition. So you have to go over your previous rules. You've got to go over them again. Everyone understand? So, Sami'na Aba Zaydin fi masjidi Khalidin. Did everyone get that? Which part did you get? Wa alaikum assalam ji. Sometimes I leave what? Because sometimes I like jalapenos. Sometimes I don't like jalapenos. Oh, sorry, you're talking about this? I didn't understand what you're talking about. So, what's your name? I need to know your name, right? Okay, so have you gone over the of rule? So, okay, so watch the of rule again. Yeah, make a note. Watch the of rule again, video. Yeah. Yeah, so watch the video again. How many times you watched the video? 0? Okay, watch it one more time. Yeah. Okay, watch it one more time. That's how you're going to learn. You need to go over these videos again. Yeah? Okay, let's do one more example now. Yeah? So, sister, in the class, put your hand up if you understand why the of and the go. Put your hand up. Put your hand up. Who put your hand up? Okay, that sister that put her hand up, you have this sister now. Yeah? Explain it to her. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. In English, that's how we say it. No, we say the father of Zayd. Yeah. In Ashton, you can say father of Zayd. But normally in English, we say the father of Zayd. Yeah. You say, the other day I beat up father of Zayd. Yeah, in Ashton, that's what you say. Yeah, but obviously, it only happens in Ashton and Alamrock, 2 places. All right, let's have another example then. Right, have a go at this then. The messenger of Allah came with the Quran. Okay, so messenger of Allah, Ar-Rasul, came, Ja'a, with the Quran. Have a go at that. Ya Allah. Put your hand up if you got it. Yeah, mashallah. I mean, those of you guys who get it, my advice would be, if you want lots of sadaqah jariyah, help those people who don't understand. Yeah, that's your zakat. Yeah, that's your zakat done. Right? Some people have to give zakat with their pounds and dollars. Some people give zakat with the ilm Allah gives them. Simple as that. So if you don't understand, you ask someone who understands and say, please give your zakat. Okay, let's have a go. What did you guys get? Yeah, so what you should have got was Ja'a Rasul Allah. Remember the of and the go. Yeah. Bi Al-Quran. So Ja is the verb. What's the object? What's the subject? Who came? Messenger, yeah? Okay, now there's no object here because Ba has overridden that. Where's the of rule? Between these two words. What does the second word of the of rule always take? Kasra. How many kasras are you going to give it? One. And because Rasul is the first word of the of rule and it's the subject as well, what are we going to give it? Not fatha, subject. Dhamma, single dhamma. Ja'a Rasulullahi bi Al-Qur'ani. Ja'a Rasulullahi bil Qur'ani. Everyone got that? Okay. So, for example, there's lots of du'as that you guys read, right? Where this dua comes, which these prepositions appear in. For example, like when you leave the house, what dua do you say? Can you identify all the rules for this now? Yeah, so you got preposition here, and it's going to give one kasra here, because the of rule there. Bismillahi, with the name of Allah. Tawakkaltu, verb subject. Tawakkaltu, I relied. Ala, preposition. Allah is going to give the word Allah. Kasra. Bismillahi, tawakkaltu ala Allahi. Yeah. Or for example, like in the adhan, when you hear this, Hayya ala as-salah. What are you going to give the word salat? Ala salati. Hayya ala salati. Yeah? You don't say hayya ala. If you hear the muaddin say hayya ala salatu, just give him the looks. So when he comes out, just give him those looks all the way until he walks up to the imam. And then later on explain to him. Yeah? Hayya ala falahi. Yeah? Everyone got that? Okay. Or for example, like, what du'as are there? Alright, how would we translate now into, how would we translate? So let's say, for example, I have this example. Qara'at kitab Allah fi bayt Khalid. Yeah, so okay, let's work this out. What's qara'at? Verb plus subject, yeah? Because there's no one's name after it. Okay, therefore, what's kitab going to be? Object. And kitab Allah, what kind of rule is that? So we're going to put brackets around it. Yeah? And fi is preposition. Yeah? And Bayt Khalid, what does that mean? Put a bracket around there. Okay, now the second word of the of rule, what are you going to give it? Kasra. Yeah, one kasra. And what are you going to give Khalid? Two kasras, yeah? Second word of the... And kitab is the first word of the of rule, and also it's what? Object. So what are you going to give it? Fatha. Qara'at kitab Allahi fi And we're going to give bait. It's the first word of the of rule, and also it's fi bayti Khalid. So when we translate this now, what does qara'at mean? She read. What does kitab mean? Book. What does the word Allah mean? Allah. Fi, in, Bayt, house, and Khalid. Now what words do we have to add in? Yeah, so we put of, the, and over here, of, the. And then what we're going to do is write it out from left to right. So she read the book of book of Khalid, astaghfirullah, shirk. Yeah. The book of Allah in the house of Khalid. Yeah. That's how you translate it. Alhamdulillah. Right. So, what did we learn today? So we learned about prepositions. In Arabic, prepositions are called jar. You know that place where you eat desserts on Coventry Road? Jam jar. Yeah, so jar. Okay? And the word after the preposition is called maj. That guy in your class? Roor. Yeah? Majroor. Remember that guy in chemistry? You see at the back. Just look out the window. So jar, preposition, the word after jar is called majroor. And the rule simply is whenever a jar appears, it gives kasra to the word after it. Khalas. So what I would suggest now is with the person next to you before your next lesson starts, if you don't understand something, go over it. That's how you're going to refresh your understanding. Any questions? And watch the videos, yeah? Make sure you watch the videos, otherwise what's going to happen is you're not going to understand everything.
Not the name, like London. Is it not simple?
Yeah. Non-Arab name.
Yeah.